Hello. Today we are going to talk about Liv Pure from the Health on Offer channel. We have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying Liv Pure. Liv Pure is a revolutionary health and wellness brand that is dedicated to helping individuals achieve optimal well-being in a natural and sustainable way. With a focus on providing high-quality products and educational resources, Liv Pure is committed to empowering people to make positive choices for their health. One of the key pillars of Liv Pure is its commitment to using only pure and clean ingredients in its products. The brand understands the importance of avoiding harmful chemicals and additives, which can have a negative impact on our health. By sourcing natural and organic ingredients, Liv Pure ensures that its products are free from harmful toxins, allowing customers to take control of their health without unnecessary risks. Liv Pure offers a wide range of products to support various aspects of health, such as nutrition, detoxification, and personal care. Their nutritional supplements are formulated with potent ingredients to support overall vitality and well-being. From digestive support to immune system boosters, Liv Pure provides solutions to address the specific needs of individuals. The brand also recognizes the importance of detoxifying the body from the constant exposure to pollutants and toxins in our environment. Liv Pure's detoxification products are designed to gently cleanse the body, supporting the natural detoxification processes and promoting a healthy balance. By removing harmful substances from our system, we can enhance our overall health and vitality. The benefits of Liv Pure are vast and directly impact the health and well-being of the people who use its products. With an approach based on pure and clean ingredients, the brand stands out for offering natural, high-quality solutions to improve individuals' quality of life. The nutritional supplements offered by Liv Pure are formulated with carefully selected ingredients to provide specific health benefits. For example, you can find supplements for digestive support, strengthening the immune system, and hormonal balance. These products are designed to help address nutritional deficiencies and promote healthy body function. Furthermore, the Liv Pure Detox line is one of the brand's biggest highlights. These products are designed to help eliminate toxins accumulated in the body due to daily exposure to environmental pollutants, processed foods, and a sedentary lifestyle. Through natural and gentle formulations, Liv Pure facilitates the detoxification process, helping to internally cleanse the body and contributing to improved general health. In summary, the benefits of Liv Pure are countless. From using pure, clean ingredients to offering natural solutions for nutrition and detoxification, the brand stands out in the health and wellness industry. Its commitment to education and awareness ensures consumers have access to the information they need to make informed decisions about their health. By choosing Liv Pure, you are opting for a natural, safe and effective approach to caring for the health and well-being of your body and mind. This product is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee for 60 full days from your original purchase. If you're not totally and completely satisfied with this product, your results or your experience in the first 60 days from your purchase, simply let us know by calling our toll-free number or dropping us an email, and we'll give you a full refund within 48 hours of the product being returned. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.